Hi Raz,
Hi Ajay, how are you? Happy Diwali to you.
thank you so much and same to you.
Yeah, आज क्या कर रहे हो? How are you enlightening yourself today?
See, like everybody's celebrating it, and as you know, Diwali is also known as Festival of Light. So I think we will also be celebrating with lighting some lamps and otherwise because no fireworks to
Yeah,
stop the pollution. But I really want to talk about this topic about since it is called the Festival of Light. So what do you think is how is light and darkness are related to human beings? Uh, while we have learned a lot of things, in our books and our spiritual and Vedic books also that like there's a shloka which says Tamso Ma Jyotirgamaya, which translates to take me from darkness to light.
yeah.
Um, so, what's your take on it? How do you interpret the whole thing?
Okay. It's a most powerful statement, you know, and that's how we lead our life. And but I try to say, or I would like to try to create here something different to that also.
And that is,
That is uh, who you are in now, existing in present form, is already you are in light.
okay. Uh, can you elaborate a little bit on this?
It's not that you are in darkness and you have to travel towards light.
Okay.
What I say, you are already in light. You know,
Mm-hmm.
you have already arrived.
Okay.
Let me.
Is
Uh,
that related to my existence?
yes, you are already in light. When you are already in light, then where is darkness? The question will be, where is darkness?
If I don't know things, my
Yeah, you don't know. Surely you don't know.
the fear of unknown.
That's why. That's why we are considering that we have to travel from darkness to light. No, the fact is that you are already in light. You are not to travel.
Mm-hmm.
So what's stopping you?
What's
What's
stopping me
stopping
from
you to experience
experience light?
that you are already in light?
Okay. I don't know.
That's the knowledge of your true self.
Okay.
And the statement you say that unless you don't know that you are already in light, you will continue to experience darkness.
Mm-hmm. Right.
So those statement has been used generally in, as you were earlier saying it, okay, it's towards the context of knowledge only. So the purpose of this life is not to travel
But to
from
experience.
yeah, it's not to purpose of life is not to travel from darkness to light.
Mm-hmm.
Purpose of life is this present form of human life is that to understand that you are already in light and you have arrived from your true self that is dark, and again you have to go to your own state, true self, that is darkness.
Are you
How you,
referring to taking birth, living your life, and then the death?
yes, but I am saying, largely I am saying, your true self is dark. You have attained this light. This light is not my true self.
Okay.
It is borrowed by many things,
Which are?
which if you say is this is all because of not my true self, but it's all about the energies which are working together in certain way. It's because of Shakti.
Okay.
You know? So hence it's at one level it is a borrowed thing. For example, why there is a day?
Because there is sun and
Sun. This light is because of sun.
right.
If sun doesn't exist, can I experience light?
Not in a natural form. Yeah.
You know, so always remember that where there is light, something is burning.
Yeah.
You know, something is burning.
Right.
So what we say, if you go by Vedantic spirituality,
Mm.
and if you go by definition of Shiva, Shiva is dark. Consciousness of this attainment of this consciousness, that no matter what, I am dark.
Mhm.
This consciousness is the supreme consciousness, which we also call it as a Shiva consciousness.
Okay.
And in this Shiva consciousness, that consciousness creates various energies from this Shiva consciousness, which is Shakti, and this Shakti creates everything.
Okay.
All sun, stars, planets, earth, this human body are created by Shakti.
Mhm.
That's why it's a marriage of Shiva and Shakti. So, and today Diwali is the festival to realize this
Very beautiful.
difference between light and darkness.
Very beautifully stated, and definitely it brings a new dimension to this whole celebrations and festivities.
And that's why Diwali is also called a festival of peace and prosperity as well. Suppose if I know that my true nature is dark,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
and I'm aware of that, there will be one thing is sure you will achieve,
And
that you will always be peaceful.
that's
you
the
will not
ultimate
bother.
state of stability.
If I understand that whatever is being created everywhere is because of the Shakti element in me, or Shakti element of universe,
Mm-hmm.
of that consciousness, no matter what, I am my true self, there will be no confrontation in my mind.
Right.
And when there is no confrontation, no pair of opposite running in
So
my
have
mind,
clarity.
my mind will be stable, my mind will be static, and the stable mind and static mind, equanimous mind will naturally create a peaceful space in which I exist as a consciousness.
Wow. Never thought of those things. Yeah. Great.
And where peace is there and I am in my full consciousness, I can create anything as a game, playfulness, or as a Krishna Leela as well.
We'll talk about those things some other time. But this is such a wonderful thing to listen to, and yeah, it's like kind of it's a new paradigm altogether. Thank you for sharing your thoughts.
Always pleasure, Jay.
Yeah.
Thanks.